Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller or gamepad not working in Elden Ring Nightreign on PC. First, open Steam and right-click the game, go to Properties and Controller, and try disabling Steam input. If that doesn't help, enable it again and see which one works. Next, if you have any virtual controller software like VJM or VJoy, uninstall or disable it from Device Manager, then restart your PC. Also, unplug any unused device like extra keyboards, pedals, or USB adapters before launching the game. If you're using a PlayStation controller, install DS4 Windows, set it up, and test again. Now go back to Steam settings, controller. If you're using an Xbox controller, try toggling Steam input on or off. For PlayStation users, try enabling or disabling PlayStation support and see what works best. You can also launch Steam in big picture mode, then start the game from there. Finally, update your controller firmware using the Xbox Accessories app or PlayStation Accessories app and try using a wired USB connection if wireless isn't working. One of these should fix your issue. Drop a like if this helped and don't forget to subscribe.